Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new RST S-1 CE waterproof full gauntlet gloves. Okay, the all-new RST S-1 CE waterproof full gauntlet gloves retail for $109.99 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand we don't update videos or pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's begin with sizing. I wear 2X in most common gloves out there. What do you know, that's the size I got on right now. They fit and feel really good, man. This is a well-executed, insulated, waterproof, full grain leather gauntlet glove. That's hard to do, especially bringing something like this to market at a reasonable price, like $109. Typically, you're going to run into some issues, and that's going to almost always be with the liner itself. It's going to want to really kind of pull out when you're pulling your hands out of the gloves. That's what I've experienced over the years with more affordable waterproof gloves. The liner stays fixed in there, super nice. They're easy to get on, easy to get off. Super comfortable lining. Like I said, it has a little bit of insulation in there too, so you couple that with the windproof, waterproof membrane. These gloves are going to be great for somebody who wants to ride on the street when it's a little bit cooler outside, right? Of course, rain. I don't think anybody really likes to ride in the rain. Sometimes you get caught in it, but I think, the real purpose here for me would be someone who, you want to extend the length of your season and you want to wear a full gauntlet glove, but you want to keep your hands as warm as you can. These are going to be great at doing that early spring, that late fall riding, and you can get it all done for $109. With riding gear, typically the best way to kit yourself up for the conditions is going to be having multiple jackets that are purpose-built for the conditions. Same thing with gloves and even some of the footwear. If you can have stuff that doesn't break the bank, but it keeps you more comfortable when you're riding at the bookends of the season, or even in the middle when it's super nice and need a lot of ventilation, it's the best way to do it. So full grain leather, waterproof membrane, insulation. We've got a knuckle protector here built in. You see this in the other S1 glove. I think they use a similar one too in the Track Tech glove. Motion panels in each of the fingers. Knuckle protectors are built in. There is a shield wipe. Motion panel here in the thumb. Knuckle protector, entry and exit. Got a safety strap here, gauntlet adjustment up at the top of the gauntlet. Got a little padding here to protect the end of the ulna. Good dexterity in the wrist. You can see our full grain leather palm. These two patches are both touchscreen compatible, work with a GPS or a phone. We've got an overlay here in the high wear area where your hands contact the bars. Overlay in the impact zone from the pinky down the side of the hand into the palm. And look at that. They used a palm slider in this glove. $109. There's a lot of value here. What's the palm slider there for? Most of us, when we fall down, instinctively we're going to put our hands out to brace for impact. Okay? Having a palm slider there encourages the glove sliding easier. The plastic slides easier on the pavement than the leather would. The leather can grab and kind of load the glove up, maybe injure your wrist, can pull the glove apart, where the plastic slides a little bit easier. That's the same one they're using on the race glove. Love seeing it on this waterproof glove. For somebody who's not a big, bad weather rider, I don't really like to ride in the rain at all anymore. If it's cold out, I don't really want to ride in that either. I really like what they did here. Tremendous value, very well executed. I think at $109, this is the glove to have if you're looking for something that's insulated with waterproof. Got any questions? Leave them in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.